Good day, learners. Welcome to our carpentry class. Module number 8. Prepare construction materials and tools. Objectives. Request appropriate materials and tools according to the prepared list. Accomplish the list of materials needed for the specific job. Comply with the procedures in preparing bill of materials. Looking back, write true if the statement is correct, false if it is not correct. Number 1. Inform requester that requisition goods or services have been received. True or false? The correct answer is true. Number 2. Contact vendor if a problem with orders such as resolving discrepancies. The correct answer is true. Number 3. Review and correct receiving transaction as necessary. The answer is true. Number 4. No need to transact receipt of material. The answer is false. Number 5. File receiving documentation. The answer is true. Let's go to the next. Well, our topic for today is requested materials and tools according to the prepared list. Bill of materials. A bill of material is a list of all things needed in a project together, with their description, sizes, and amount of price. All information needed should be in the bill of materials. These are the parts of bill of materials. Quantity tells the amount of materials to be purchased. Number 2, unit gives the measure of materials to be purchased. Number 3, description states the detailed name of materials. Number 4, unit cost gives the price of each material. And the last one is the amount is the cost of all the materials. As you seen here, these are the parts of bill of materials. The quantity, the unit, description, unit cost, and the amount of cost of all materials, or the total cost. Here is an example of bill of materials. Suggested project, bulletin board. Quantity, unit, materials and description, unit price, total price. 1 piece, 3/4 plywood, unit price 700 pesos, total price was 700 pesos. 1 liter stained maple, unit price 110 pesos, total price 110 pesos. 1 kilo finishing nail, 1.5 inch size, unit price 30 pesos, total price 30 pesos. 1 foot sandpaper, unit price 50 pesos, total price 50 pesos. 1 liter QDE Boys and Paint green, unit price 150 pesos, total price 150 pesos. 1 liter lacquer thinner, unit price 80 pesos, total price 80 pesos. 1 piece paintbrush 2 inches, unit price 20 pesos, total price 20 pesos. Total of overall total 1,040 pesos. Let's test your knowledge. Direction. Accomplish the requisition form. Use another sheet for this activity. Well, this requisition form is the bill of materials, suggested project, bulletin board, balance on hand quantity, requisition unit, materials and description, unit price, total. You're going to fill up the blanks. Remember, teachers examines and inspect the output by using the following scoring guide. Criteria rating. Accuracy, 40%. Observance and sequence of steps, 30%. Readability of information, 20%. Neatness of work, 10%. Total of 100%. You are given 2 minutes to answer. Answer the following before the bar fills up. Timer starts now. Answer it honestly. Time is up. Let's check your answers. Balance of hand quantity, requisition unit, materials and description, unit price total. One piece 3/4 plywood, unit price 700, total price 700 pesos. 1 liter stained maple, unit price 110 pesos, total price 110 pesos. 1 kilo finishing nail 1.5 inch, unit price 30 pesos, total price 30 pesos. 1 foot sandpaper, unit price 50 pesos, total price 50 pesos. 1 liter moisten paint, unit price 150 pesos, total price 150 pesos. 1 liter lacquer thinner, unit price 80 pesos, total price 80 pesos. 1 piece paintbrush, 2 inches in size, unit price 20 pesos, total price 20 pesos. Overall total price is 1,040 pesos. If you got that all correct, very good. Let's proceed to the next. Let's proceed to the next exercise. Direction. Complete the following bill of materials. Write your answer on a piece of paper. You are given 2 minutes to answer. Answer the following before the bar fills up. Timer starts now. Answer it honestly. I know that you can answer this easily because this is our lesson a while ago. Time is up. Let's check your answers. Oh, okay. Number one, piece. Number two, 700 pesos. Number three, 1. Number four, kilo. Number five, 30 pesos. Number six, 1. Number seven, foot. Number eight, 1. Number nine, liter. Number 10, 150 pesos. Number 11, 1. Number 12, liter. Number 13, 80 pesos. Number 14, piece. And number 15, 1,040 pesos. If you got that all correct, very good. Let's keep in mind, a bill of materials is a list of all things needed in a project, together with their description, sizes, and amount or price. All information needed should be in the bill of materials.
Goodbye, learners. Thank you for watching. See you again.
Thank you, learners. See you again next meeting.